Today we'll discuss what is credit repair. So you know your credit history, means what are the loans you have taken, how you are repaying, or how many loans you have closed, how many are still active, and what is your EMI repayments, any delay payments are there, or you are paying 100% on the due date. Everything will be available in your credit information report. So if your report is good, your credit score is good, then chances of getting your new loan approved immediately. If it is low, then your chances of getting your loan rejected. So credit history, credit score is very important, because nowadays all the financial institutions, banks, they will verify your credit score. So credit repair means any issue or any low score is there, you can improve your credit score, you can do your credit repair. You need not pay a large sum of money to rectify your credit scoring. And CIBIL is not associated with any credit repair company. So you just remember, so CIBIL has not associated with any credit repair company. So people will come, they'll say you pay 50,000, your credit score will be improved next 1 week, 1 day. All these are not valid statements. You can repair your credit score, it is available in your hands. For example, your vehicle is got a problem, then you will go to the mechanic and you will repair. But your credit score can be repaired by yourself. So what are the two major issues with credit information report? Okay, already we have discussed credit information report. Okay, accurate, inaccurate information, any inaccurate information is available in your CR, then immediately you raise a dispute. And due to below situations, maybe you have not paid the demand amount on demand date. Genuine financial hardship, yes, you lost the job or financial issue or health issue, so you are not paid. But once you get a job or once you get a money, please repay the dues and you make your account is in proper and regular. So sometimes you say I relocated from one place to another place, from Hyderabad to Bangalore, so I could not pay. I not received the credit card statement, so I was not paid. Or some annual charges or something they have uploaded into your account statement, there will be dispute. So immediately clear the whatever the annual charges, maybe you get a chargeback or waiver, whatever way you make it, and you on due date you pay all the charges. In case any fraud is there in your account, you can pay and charge back, or you can take up the matter with uh, concerned company and you see that amount is reversed or waived. And what are the actions you can take, and you can improve your credit score? You can do repair of your report, credit information report. One is uh, pay some 550 rupees and you get your full detailed credit information report. That will be you can get a report within 3 working days. And check the credit report whether all the loans are active, or whether they have removed the closed loans, you verify. And any loan account which is not pertaining to you, whether it is displayed or showing in your statement, verify that one. Any issue is there, immediately you raise a dispute resolution ticket in CIBIL portal. So here, how to initiate a dispute resolution process? You can go to CIBIL dashboard. So entire process I have given, and within 30 days you will get a reply, and you can raise a multiple dispute resolution tickets at a time. Even today you can raise a 10 tickets. So all the tickets will be closed within 30 days. And whatever the accounts mentioned in your credit information report, please verify any account is closed with the reasons write-offs, settled account, then will have a negative impact on your credit score. So please verify any issue, then raise a dispute resolution ticket. Whether any account incorrectly tagged into your name, that also you raise a dispute resolution process ticket. And verify any day past dues. DPD is there. You are supposed to pay your EMI on 10th. If you are not paid and you are paid on maybe after few days, your DPD will be increased. On 11th, it will be 1 day, because already 1 day is delayed. If it is 15th, 5 days delay is there. So if you miss also, you pay the bill and you see that DPD days is 0. And CIBIL score, it will not improve immediately. It will take 6 to 8 months. So any default is there, you pay regularly for next 6 to 8 months, automatically your credit card credit score will be improved. And initiate action. So any dispute, you raise multiple tickets immediately and it will be resolved within 30 days. And credit card payments, any credit card payment or EMI payment, because of genuine financial hardship, it may be loss of job or it may be health conditions. So you, whenever you get a new job, whenever you get a money, you repay the overdue amount or dues, and you see that your credit history will be clean. And missed credit card payment, sometimes you will say like because of relocation from Hyderabad to Bangalore, I missed the payment. No, you see that credit card or any EMIs you pay on the due date. In case if you are given a standing instruction from one account and which is closed after that, then you open a new account and give a standing instruction and you see that EMI is paid on due date, then your CIBIL score will be improved and your credit report also will be done. No need to depend on any third party organization or third party person. And many times we miss like credit card issuer relocation, already we have discussed. So always you pay the missed payment, late payment, all service charges fully. Even if you pay partially also, your DPD will be increasing. Pay fully, then only your account will be clean and green. And sometimes you say like I have not received the statement, better to give a standing instruction or note down the due dates and note down your whatever the transactions you have performed under the credit card, you repay and maintain the dates and maintain the proper balance in your account. Avoid the late payment charges or late payment interest. So in case you have any dispute with your organization or with your credit card company regarding charges or annual fee, immediately you raise a query, or you pay and you get, it will be reversed, or you get a charge back. Otherwise you see that it is waived and everything, it should be clear and communicate immediately. And you see that all manual charges, insurance charges, processing charges, everything is paid on the date of payment. And fraud, in case any fraud in your credit card, immediately you take up with the organization and you see that it is reversed or nullified, or you pay and you get your money back. So uh, do immediately, and there should not be any delay in the payment due to fraud in your credit card. Thank you friends. If you like my video, subscribe my channel, share my channel with your friends, and you need any additional information, please comment.